In this latest video in the Online Writing Courses Exposed series, I want to take you behind the scenes of AWAI's accelerated program for six-figure copywriting and tell you just what you can expect from their certification program. Hi guys, I'm Les Blythe, and in this video, as I said, I'm going to take you behind the scenes into my own personal account, and we'll have a look at AWAI's certification program. Essentially, once you take their accelerated program for six-figure copywriting, you get certified at the end, which is something really useful to have out in the marketplace as a copywriter. So I'm going to give you a detailed look at that right now, behind the scenes in my own personal account. Now, with that said, I've got a couple of bonuses for you today, so please watch through to the end. You don't want to miss out on these bonuses, and I'll tell you all about them towards the end of the video. Okay guys, with all of that said, let's dive in. I'm going to take you into my personal account now and show you exactly what to expect from the AWAI certification process. So here we are again guys, we're in the members area of the accelerated program for six-figure copywriting from AWAI. In previous videos we've looked at the other parts, the welcome and part 1 through part 5, where you become a qualified copywriter. And in this final part in the series, I want to look at AWAI Verified. Now, this is something that demonstrates you've mastered the core concepts of the program and you're actually ready to begin your career as a copywriter. And what it involves, you'll see now, it involves you take a test based on the program and what you've learned. It's a 50-question test, and it covers the main principles of what you've learned in the course. And this AWAI verified seal, which is a trademark thing, is something that tells clients that you've studied as a copywriter and you grasp the concepts. Now, coming from AWAI, which is an institution that's been around since 1997, this is a powerful tool in your armory in terms of getting yourself lucrative clients who pay you well to write copy for them. Now, just to point out, there is a small fee for this. This costs $50. But in my opinion, it's well worth to take the test and pass it. You don't have to pass it on your first go. The test is not that hard. If you work your way through the course, the test is quite logical, not difficult to do, and you've got a total of 3 times to take it to pass. So what I suggest you do is, if once you get to this point, is just dive straight in and take the test right off the bat, see how you do. You'll get an idea of what the test is about and what you might need to do to improve. And, even if you don't make it the first time, which you probably will in all fairness, you've got another couple of goes. It's not going to cost you any extra. And as I say, this seal of approval is well worth having as evidence of what you're able to do when you're looking for, well-paying clients. And bear in mind, all of this, you're working from home, as I always say, earning really good money. My rate at the moment is $125 an hour. So it's worth going through this, getting the seal of approval from AWAI, and it's going to stand you in good stead in terms of getting clients who pay well. Okay guys, that's it for this review. Okay guys, that's about it for the final part of the course, which is the accreditation part. Again, as I'm saying, it's something really useful to have, because if people see the fact that you've been accredited and certified by AWAI, it really helps them take you seriously as a copywriter or freelance writer. Alright guys, so that's it. If you found the video useful, I'd really appreciate you giving it a thumbs up, liking the video, and if you think it's going to help someone else, consider sharing it around. It's always good to share, and maybe it can, as I say, help someone else on the way. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the old bell notification so that when I've got more information and tips on copywriting, freelancing, all that kind of thing, I know where to send them to. Right, that's that for that. Your bonuses, which I promised you, if you look below the video, you'll find a link. If you hit that link, it'll take you through so you can get your hands on your bonuses as well. Okay, I think I've covered everything. That's about it. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Ciao for now, guys. Bye-bye.